This is my hibiscus sponge. It's been sitting in the fridge for over 24 hours. The texture is a little bit slimy, but that's the benefit of okra. It's from a substance that is naturally contained common starch. It helps you to cool your digestion and also helps you to lower your blood sugar. So the items you need for this is your okra, ginger, also your fresh orange. You're going to wash this with some soda and also your vinegar. So after washing this, you're going to take this out and you're going to be chopping your okra like I am doing so you're going to chop your okra to this cube just to get it done. So after you're done slicing your okra, you are also going to be doing the same thing with your fresh orange juice. Okay, so once you're done slicing your fresh orange juice like I am doing on the screen, just make sure you slice enough orange. Okay, and now you're also going to slice your ginger. You have your cinnamon, your hibiscus flower, some clove, and you are going to get your hibiscus flower and wash that very well. Now you're going to transfer your hibiscus flower, your okra. You're also going to transfer your ginger, your fresh orange that you have sliced, and also take some cinnamon stick and you're going to be transferring that into that, and you're also going to take your clove. Now you're also going to add in your clove, so and also you're also going to add your honey. You can use any natural honey of your choice, and now the same water that you have already boiled is what you're going to transfer to this. Okay, so after transferring this to this, you are definitely going to be covering, stirring very properly well. Please try to stir as much as you can, and now you are going to be covering this particular, and you're going to be keeping it in a very cool place. And now that you see me, I am trying to show you guys what it looks like right now after covering and after stirring. Now I'm going to keep this in my fridge for 24 hours. This is the next day, and I can tell you that my hibiscus sponge is ready to be drink. This helps you with your systems. It helps you google what's the benefit of okra, clove, and you will see that all this remedy has a benefit. Remember that natural items are very important. This is a little bit slimy, but not as slimy as you think, so but it's very good for your health. If you're going to be trying this, know that it's very important to take good care of your health, and I'm going to be uploading much video to be able to take good care of your health. I like the texture of this. We're going to be creating something that is also good for your health. See you. Make sure you're subscribing. Bye.